Hello everyone, welcome back to Amin Maths Club. Today we have a nice algebra problem, that is x minus 2 whole to the power 6 is equal to 7 to the power 6. Here we have to find the value of x. So starting our solution, first of all, this x minus 2 whole to the power 6 can also be written as x minus 2 whole cubed and then to the power 2. Then 3 times 2 is 6, so we are going to just write this 7 to the power 6 is 7 cubed whole squared. Now shifting this term to our left hand side, then we have x minus 2 whole cubed to the power 2 minus 7 cubed to the power 2 is equal to 0. Now we are going to use algebraic identity here, as we know that if we have a squared minus b squared, it is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So here we get that it is our a, x minus 2 whole cubed, it is our a, and our b is 7 cubed, so a plus b is 7 cubed. Similarly times a minus b, which is x minus 2 whole cubed minus 7 cubed, is equal to 0. Now we have two possible cases here. So our case 1 is, that is x minus 2 whole cubed plus 7 cubed is equal to 0, and our case 2 is x minus 2 whole cubed minus 7 cubed is equal to 0. Now we have to solve these two cases that respectively. First one, so case 1 is x minus 2 whole cubed. Here we use algebraic identity, as we know that if we have a cube plus b cube, it is equal to a plus b times a squared minus a times b plus b squared. So using this one, then we have here our a plus b is 7 times a squared minus a times b, 7 times x minus 2 plus b squared, which is 7 squared, is equal to 0. Now we have x plus 5 times, here we have x minus 2 whole squared is a minus b whole squared, so it will be equal to x squared plus 2 squared minus 2 times a is x, b is 2, and here we have minus 7 times x is 7x, minus times minus is plus, 7 times 2 is 14, plus 7 squared is 49, that is equal to 0. Now here x plus 5 times, we have x squared plus 4 minus 2 times 2 is 4x minus 7x, and here we have 14 plus 49, it is equal to 9 plus 4 is 13, and then 4 plus 1 is 5 and 1 6 is equal to 0. So our next step is x plus 5 times x squared. Here we have minus 4x minus 7x, we will get minus 11x, and plus 4 plus 63 is plus 67 is equal to 0. Now our next step is, here x plus 5 is equal to 0, and x squared minus 11x plus 67 is also equal to 0. Now x is equal to minus 5. It is our first solution of x, and we see that it is real solution, and here it is quadratic equation. We have to solve this by using quadratic formula. So for this purpose, the value of a is 1, b is minus 11, and c is 67. Now by quadratic formula, x is equal to minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4 times a times c all over 2 times a. Now putting values, then we get x is equal to minus times minus 11 plus minus square root of b squared, which is minus 11 whole squared, and minus 4 times a is 1, c is 67, all over 2 times a is 1. Now our next step is, here x is equal to minus times minus is plus 11 plus minus square root of 11 squared minus 11 squared is 121, and here we get 4 times 67. So 4 times 67 we have that 268. Now all over 2 times 1 is 2. Here our next step is 11 plus minus 121 minus 268, we get minus 147 all over 2. This 147 can be written as 11 plus minus square root of 147 is actually 49 times 3 times minus 1 all over 2. Here we have 11 plus minus, if we just write separately this 49 square root times square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. Then we have value of x is equal to, here 11 plus minus square root of 49 will be 7 times square root of 3 and minus 1 square root is equal to iota I all over 2. Here we have two possible values of x, and we see that this solution is actually, it is complex solution. Now here in first case we have three values of x, so similarly we are going to solve our case number 2. Now according to our case 2, it is x minus 2 whole cubed minus 7 cube is equal to 0. Now here we can use algebraic identity, which is a cubed minus b cubed is equal to a minus b times a squared plus a times b plus b squared. Now here x minus 2, which is a, and minus b times a squared means x minus 2 squared, and here plus a times b, 7 times x minus 2, plus b squared is 7 squared, that is equal to 0. Now x minus 2 minus 7 we get minus 9. Here x squared minus plus 2 squared minus 2 times x times 2, and plus 7 times x is 7x minus 14 plus 49 is equal to 0. Now x minus 9 times x squared minus 2 times 2 is 4x plus 7x, and here we have plus 4 plus minus 14 plus 49, that is equal to 0. Now x minus 9 times x squared plus, here we get 3x, and plus 4 plus 49 is 53, then minus 14, then we get, here we have that 3x plus 39 is equal to 0. Now we have x minus 9 is equal to 0, and x squared plus 3 times x plus 39 is equal to 0. Here we have x is equal to 9. It is our solution of x. Now solving this quadratic equation, we have a is equal to 1, b is equal to 3, and c is equal to 39. So x is equal to minus b, which is minus 3, plus minus b squared, which is 3 squared, and minus 4 times a is 1, c is 39, all over 2 times a is 1. Now we have x is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 3 squared is 9 minus 39 times 4, we have 156. Now all over 2 times 1 is 2. So x is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of minus 147 all over 2. Here x is equal to minus 3 plus minus 147 can also be written as square root of 49 times 3 times minus 1 whole square root all over 2. Here we have x is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 49 times square root of 3 times square root of minus 1 all over 2. So x is equal to minus 3 plus minus square root of 49 is equal to 7 times square root of 3, and minus 1 square root is equal to iota I all over 2. So it is the solution of x that we have just find out. Now we have 3 solutions in case 1 and similarly 3 solutions in case number 2. We are going to just write our final answer here. So we have two real solution, that is x is equal to, we have x is equal to minus 5 and x is equal to 9. These are two real solution. Now our complex solutions are, here we have x is equal to, here x is equal to, that is 11 plus minus 7 times square root of 3i. Similarly x is equal to, here we have minus 3 plus minus 7 times square root of 3i. These are two our complex solution. So it is our final answer. Now we are going to check our entire solution here step by step. Here we have our solution. So I hope you have understand all these steps. So if you have any problem, you just ask question in comment box. So that's it for today. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.